We're about to do the grand finale, 2013, third annual fireworks. Woo! I don't think that's all of it. Woo!
Nothing hit us.
No, I don't think that's it.
That's not it?
No, I don't think it is. It's long, way long.
Oh, come on.
We got more to go at Houston here, I believe.
That was just the appetizer for the appetizer.
That was just the appetizer.
And then there's the grand meal. Woo! Here we go. I don't think I'm going to have to call pancakes. Pop, 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 pop. Oh my gosh. No pancakes.
That was just a drink.
That was the second appetizer.
That was a sip of Coke.
That
That was a sip of Coca-Cola.
was the appetizer for
Now
the
we're going to Red
monster.
Lobster. Now this is the monster one.
Red Lobster. I think we still
Wait,
got...
Jack, what's going on?
What?
It's the Red Lobster. Dude,
It's
this
the
is
Red
just.
Lobster.
Dude, that was just the salad and breadsticks.
Yeah.
Now we're coming to the and soup.
Yeah.
Chicken McBites.
Yeah.
Houston, sorry for the delay.
Houston got shot.
Houston died.
Just homemade. This is all here. Now hurry up.
Remember, folks, it's not over till it's over. That's a little...
What he said.
It's in a video game.
The monster is gonna feed.